Imagine you're traveling abroad. Your new friend asks, "What's your favorite food?" What would you say? If you're not sure, this lesson is exactly for you. Let's learn together. Hi, everyone. Today, we're studying Lesson 5, My Favorite Food. In this lesson, you'll learn how to talk about your favorite food, describe its taste, and say when and how you usually eat it. Practice the lesson with the shadowing method. Are you ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Listen and repeat. My favorite food is fried rice. My favorite food is fried rice. I eat it 2 or 3 times a week. I eat it 2 or 3 times a week. It is delicious and easy to make. It is delicious and easy to make. My mother cooks it very well. My mother cooks it very well. She adds eggs, vegetables, and chicken. She adds eggs, vegetables, and chicken. I love the smell of fresh garlic. I love the smell of fresh garlic. I usually eat it with my family. I usually eat it with my family. We enjoy talking during dinner. We enjoy talking during dinner. It always makes me happy. It always makes me happy. I want to learn how to cook it one day. Step 2. Shadowing paragraph. My favorite food is fried rice. I eat it 2 or 3 times a week because it is delicious and easy to make. My mother cooks it very well. She adds eggs, vegetables, and chicken, so it is very tasty. I love the smell of fresh garlic when she is cooking. I usually eat fried rice with my family, and we enjoy talking during dinner. It always makes me happy. One day, I want to learn how to cook it by myself. Step 3. Useful chunks and collocations. My favorite food. 2 or 3 times a week. Easy to make. Cook very well. Add eggs, vegetables, and chicken. Love the smell of fresh garlic. Eat with my family. Enjoy talking during dinner. Make me happy. Learn how to cook. By myself. Step 4. Speak about yourself. Answer these questions using the same sentence patterns. What's your favorite food? How often do you eat it? Who usually cooks it? What ingredients does it have? Why do you like it? Who do you usually eat with? How does it make you feel? Can you cook it? Great job today. Thank you for practicing with me. Remember, just a few minutes of English every day can make a big difference. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a lesson. See you in the next video. Goodbye.